Good evening, day traders. You're watching the daily market review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. So, as traditional, let's start our daily review from technical analysis of majors. So, let's start from the first pair. Will be intraday analysis of euro and US dollar. So, what do we have here? The pair is under pressure and is challenging its support. Suggest short positions below 1.3100 with 1.3025 and 1.2980 as next targets. So the upside penetration of 1.3100 will call for a bound towards 1.3140 and 1.3195. So weekly chart of euro and US dollar trend is bearish. Intraday analysis of US dollar versus Japanese yen. The pair is on the upside and is challenging its resistance. Suggests long positions above 77.80 with 78.50 and 78.35 as the next targets. The downside penetration of 77.80 will call for 77.65 and 77.45. Weekly chart of US dollar versus Japanese yen trend is bearish again. Intraday analysis of Great Britain pound versus US dollar. The pair is challenging its support. The RCI calls for caution, suggests long positions above 1.5650 with the 1.5720 and 1.5775 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.5650 will call for a slide towards 1.5620 and 1.5565. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound versus US dollar trend is range. Intraday analysis of US dollar versus Swiss franc. The RSI lacks downward momentum. Suggests long positions above 0.9300 with targets at 0.9420 and 0.9465 as an extension. Below 0.9300 look for further downside with 0.9275 and 0.9245 as targets. Weekly chart of US dollar versus Swiss franc trend is bullish. Yes, next and finally pair will be an intraday analysis of Australian dollar versus US dollar. So, what I have here, even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, its extent should be limited. Suggests long position above 1.0030 with targets at 1.0160 and 1.0220 in extension. Below 1.0030 look for further downside with 0.9975 and 0.9920 as targets. And weekly chart, according to technical analysis of Australian dollar versus US dollar trend is bearish. So that's all for the traders for now. Thank you for watching. I wish you bright holidays and spend brilliant vacations too. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. And fair trend to you. And don't forget to visit our website www.grandcapital.net. You will find there a lot of interesting information according to technical analysis and something else interesting. Yeah. So good luck and goodbye.